Here we have a question. Find the equation of tangent to the curve at a point corresponding to the given parameter. So whenever we need to find equation of tangent, we need two things. We need point and we need slope. Slope comes from the derivative. Derivative, if we have parametric equations, now each of the x and y are in terms of t. So dy by dx is basically, the formula is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So the derivative of y with respect to t is 4t cubed plus 1 divided by the derivative of x with respect to t. That's going to be 3t squared. We want to find the slope at t equal to -1. So we are going to put dy by dx and we're going to put t equal to -1. This will give us your slope. So let's find the slope. That's going to be 4 times -1 cube plus 1 divided by 3 times -1 square. -4 plus 1 by 3. -3 by 3. -1 is your slope. So we have the slope. The slope is m equal to -1. Now for the point, t is given as -1. But for the point, we need x and y. What is t given? -1. X is equal to t cube plus 1. Therefore, that should be -1 cube plus 1, -1 plus 1, 0. Y is equal to t4 plus t. So we put t, -1 power 4 plus -1. That's 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So point where we need to find our tangent is given as 0, 0. Now we find equation of tangent. Equation of tangent line. Actually, equation of any line can be written as y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. We know our x1 is 0, y1 is 0, m is -1. So y minus 0 equal to -1 times x minus 0. Y equal to -x is your equation of tangent line to the given curve at the given parameter. Let's work on the next one. Find the equation of tangent to the curve at the following given parameter. If you guys notice, in this case, the point itself is already given. For equation of tangent, we need two things, point and slope. Point is given half and 3 by 4, and slope we need to find, which will come from the derivative. So let's find the derivative. Because this is a parametric equation, the formula of the derivative is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we need to differentiate y with respect to t first. The derivative of cosine square dy by dt will be 2 cosine t times negative sine t, and dx by dt would be just the derivative of sine, which is cosine. So we have -2 cosine t sine t divided by cosine t. We see that cosine will cancel. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to -2 sine t. So we need to find m. For m, we need to put t value. The problem here is t is not given. What is given? The point x is given as half and y is given as 3 by 4. So we need to find when, meaning for what value of t x is equal to half, but x is basically sine t, and cosine square t, which is y, should be equal to 3 by 4. So when sine t is equal to half and cosine t, taking square root on the other side, is square root of 3 by 2. So at what point sine t is half and cosine is root 3 by 2. So your point t can be pi by 6, or because there is a negative value, so that has to be 5 pi by 6. There are two possible values of t. So if we put this in the derivative to find the slope, so m would be negative 2. If you put pi by 6, that should be m equal to negative 2 sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is half. Negative 2 times half will be negative 1. If we put 5 pi by 6, then m would be negative 2 sine 5 pi by 6. Sine 5 by 6 is still half. Negative 2 times half is negative 1. Therefore, slope is basically negative 1. So we have everything to be able to find the equation of the tangent. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. This will be our equation of tangent. Let's figure that out. Y minus y1 is 3 by 4 equal to m is negative 1, x minus x1 is half. Y minus 3 by 4 equal to negative x plus half. Y is equal to negative x plus half plus 3 by 4. That is negative half, negative x, and half plus 3 by 4 is gonna be 5 by 4. So to finally answer, your equation of tangent is y equal to negative x plus 5 by 4.